Hello and welcome to Mind Blowers, episode 8. In this episode, we're all about data. We'll look at some powerful new systems that IBM has just come up with and put out there called Power 7. More Power 7 to ya. How researchers are validating accuracy of data that's collected, and an analytics tool that connects callers with call center folks, kind of like an online dating system, and matches them up perfectly. Also, a new tool that allows do-it-yourself analytics, and that's important in this day and age. So first up, Power 7. From our pals in STG comes Power 7. You know, building a smarter planet will require heavy-duty computing, and the latest advances in heavy-duty computing products are built on the new Power 7. This system is capable of managing enormous amounts of data and running commercial software. Systems built on the Power 7 processor are the first in a family of systems designed to support the increasingly demanding workloads and applications of a smarter planet. Rice University and the Texas Medical Center are putting this mega machine to work, performing operations such as genomic sequencing, protein folding, drug modeling. How do I look, darling? And simulating molecular interactions in normal and unhealthy tissues. The system is also being used in analytics on financial markets, as well as processing and managing data that comes from smart meters. Hello, Mr. Meter. Hello, Kevin. Want to play Jeopardy? Oh, well, that's a different episode. All right, you're not that smart. Not only is the system extremely powerful, it's also energy efficient. Unique energy technology allows users to power on and off different parts of the system as they need it, so this results in improved performance per watt, PPW, more than 7 times. Power 7 to ya. 7 times better than our servers that come from Sun and HP. Ha ha, Sun. Ha ha, HP. More power to IBM. Hello! This year, digital information will grow to 988 exabytes. You know what that is? That's the equivalent of a stack of books. Remember these things? That goes from the Sun all the way out to Pluto, the X planet, all the way back to the Sun. That's 988 exabytes. Can you believe it? Well, now with all of this data, how do you really know if the data you're getting is of high quality? Well, sometimes you don't. For example, what if a sensor was sending back data and it was all busted up? Thanks to researchers at IBM's Zurich Research Center, it will now be easier to determine whether the data being collected is accurate or not. These researchers have developed 400 lines of code. In fact, check this out. Check out this algorithm right here, sketched on the window of a researcher's office, lab, as he was figuring this out. This algorithm is responsible for the 400 lines of code that this team came up with that reduces computational complexity, cost, and energy usage for analyzing the quality of massive amounts of data. In order to test this new code, researchers validated 9 terabytes of data on a Blue Gene supercomputer. Now that would have taken 1 whole day. Let's use this smarter planet as an example. 1 whole day. See how long that's taking? We don't have time for that anymore. Down to 20 minutes. Beep. So from to beep, that's fast, huh? And it only used 1% of the energy used in the old system. Faster, more accurate, and more energy efficient. That is mind-blowing. This next story is about RAMP from our GBS team, Global Business Services. Have you ever called a customer support line only to find yourself waiting on the phone for a long time, and then when you finally do speak to somebody, you don't get the information you need? Well, thanks to IBM's new real-time analytics matching platform, or RAMP, customer service is much smarter. RAMP uses advanced analytics to identify the optimal match between a caller and a company's customer service rep in real time. Hello? I have a problem. Yeah? Oh, God. Hello? Hi, I have a problem. Hey, I have a solution. Whoa, thank you so much. RAMP uses data such as customer service representatives' average time on the phone and their level of expertise, and matches that with the company's data on common issues that callers have and the average wait time. Then RAMP combines all this data, uses a lot of brain power and all that kind of stuff, and comes out with the best match to create positive customer experience. Honestly, this is really kind of cool to be able to get to the dude or the person that you need to get to, because it knows who you are and then it knows what they know. Good stuff from our GBS team. Thank you very much. This one comes from Software Group. Project Big sheets. If you have access to the web, you also have access to massive amounts of data, right? But finding the data that you need and dedicating staff to manually look for the right data is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But thanks to IBM Software Group's emerging technologies team called JSTART, you can now speed this information crunching exercise from days and days to just minutes. See? Cool. Project Big Sheets is a browser-based, do-it-yourself, and that's the important part of this, is do-it-yourself tool that provides complex analytics on piles of web data. It allows users to gather, analyze, and interpret data in a spreadsheet user interface, DIY-like, do-it-yourself, which is cool. So who would need this? Take the British government, for example. The UK, right? Where is it? Right there, right up in the top here, right there. Who tasked the library system to make searching all historical.uk websites easier and faster. They also wanted to catalog all their sites for cultural preservation. So in order to accomplish this, the British Library came to our folks at IBM and said, hey, can we try this Big Sheets ad on it? And look what they're doing. They're helping them analyze and categorize the content, and then they can publish the results using visualization techniques like tag clouds and the like to help the researchers navigate through massive amounts of archives. Well, that's it for this episode on data. And remember, if you're working on a mind-blowing project or you know somebody who is, let us know about it so we can share it with a global audience. Thank you. This is Kevin Winterfield. Thank you for coming and have a great day. Smarter planet, smarter planet. I have a smarter planet idea.